Hi guys, so today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you check if your gig is active on Fiverr. So it's pretty much straightforward and I'll just get into this quick tutorial. So first log into your Fiverr account. So once you logged into your Fiverr account, then click on switch to selling because you're going to log into your gigs. So switch to selling, go to your selling seller dashboards. So once you get to your seller dashboards, what you have to do is click on your profile picture here, like on your profile tab here. So under your profile, what you have to do is click on profile. So click on profile, and then here on your right, under active gigs, you will see all your gigs that are active at the moment. So here mine is I just created a dummy one so for demonstration. So it's currently active at the moment. So under active gigs, you will be able to see your gig that's active at the moment. If you want to have a look, you can just click on these three dots here, and then you can edit it, or you can have a preview of it as well if you want to. And so this option, so under active, you should be able to see all your active gigs. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video very soon. Thank you.